The Gen Zer in me is screaming. Oh my god, y'all, look at this. Okay, not Jack Harlow bringing out Fergie. Like, that's really crazy. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it.
So rock right up to the high of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And try to stop out of my fountain. I want the play in your peak.
Hello, my beautiful people. Poppin' was good. It's your girl, Mami Tiff, and I'm back again with another video. What is up, you guys? Today is Sunday, August 28th, and it is approximately 7:04 p.m. And I know you're probably like, Tiffany, why are you starting a video at nighttime? Well, if you don't know, now you know. The VMAs are coming on tonight, the Video Music Awards. That's always done by MTV. And if y'all follow me on my Instagram, you know that I do award show recaps with Anscape. But also, I just have a lot in terms of content that's gonna be going on between like tonight and tomorrow. So tonight, obviously, I'll be watching the VMAs for the recap, but also Anscape's On the Yard Snapchat show comes out, and I produce that Snapchat show. What else? I also just received a package for Colourpop for Blended, which is the beauty TikTok channel that I run, and just a lot of content things going on between literally tonight and all of tomorrow. So I thought, why not bring y'all along with me? And we just got a whole work day ahead of us. But before we get into everything, I need to go ahead and take a shower because y'all, I am sticky, I am sweaty, it is hot out here in DC. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a shower, get some food in my system, but pause before we get into it. If this is the first time you're ever seeing my face or clicking on my channel, honey, subscribe! Subscribe because we make really silly, dope, cool, and funny videos on the channel, so why wouldn't you? But also, if you just like fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and behind the scenes of content creation, you might as well subscribe. I'm also going through a moving series right now, so a lot is going on here, so you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get in this day and a half in the life of a content creator. Whoosh! Y'all, so I finally sat down. My food is ready. As you can see, it is some leftovers, and we have an audience who doesn't understand you can't eat this. I'm gonna need you to back up, ma'am. Thank you. But basically, I got this food earlier from Pink Tacos, this place in DC. It's in Navy Yard. I went there earlier with my mom for brunch, and they have this like basically like this burger, but in the form of like you put it in a tortilla, has pico de gallo on it, pepper jack cheese, jalapenos. It's so good. Like, I would never think a burger would taste good in a tortilla, but it's kind of hitting. Anyways, I apologize that my background is a mess. Y'all, I'm still trying to move in, still trying to get it together in my apartment. But anyways, the VMAs is literally about to start in a minute and 37 seconds, so I need to go ahead and get my laptop up. I really just, during the award shows, like to take notes, because the thing about like reading, you know, award show recaps through articles is that, yes, they'll tell you who won the awards and all this stuff, but they won't tell you like little details that you might not get through the articles that you see online, and that, oh, I find kind of interesting, something that I think y'all should know. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's starting. It started off with Jack Harlow, and why is Drewski always with Jack Harlow? I literally love them together. I don't know what it is, but such a good duo. Okay, not Jack Harlow bringing out Fergie. Like, that's really crazy. Yes, not the original Glamorous. Okay, side note, if y'all ever want me to like go live, whether it be on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and give y'all like my live impressions of what I think about the award show, let me know down in the comments. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. Hey, hey, ha, ha. Yo, they are going crazy in there. I wish I was there for real. It's about damn time. What, Lizzo? Period. Y'all, this award show is moving so fast, I almost forgot I need to eat. Y'all need to go check them out because they did it with this one. Tied with the crown. Yes. No, I'm not lucky. I'm blessed. Yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ. Me. Okay, y'all, I'm back. The MTV VMAs is over. It's actually 11:36. It was over probably like 10-15 minutes ago. Ooh, am I okay? I'm gonna try and wrap up at like midnight because I'm gonna have to kind of get up early in the morning. It's time to go to sleep, so I'll see y'all in the morning. Day 2. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. Clearly I just finished making breakfast and now I'm about to go ahead and eat it. I have bacon and these plant-based just eggs. I'm allergic to eggs for those of you who don't know. Anyways, we know I have a lot going on today. I'm looking at my calendar here on my phone just to see like what meetings I have to make sure I don't miss them, because when I get into my mode, y'all, I get into my mode. I don't have a meeting until 2 p.m. and then another meeting again at 4:30, which is when the Snapchat show has to be done. So needless to say, we got a lot to do. I'm gonna go ahead, maybe watch the news, watch some YouTube really quick as I eat my breakfast, just so that I can kind of relax before this crazy day starts. Okay, y'all, my background looks so crazy. But anyways, I finished my breakfast. It was chef's kiss. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into some work. The first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and just tackle, because I just wanna get it out the way, I think is the Snapchat show. Just to give y'all a little bit of background, I do produce a Snapchat show with Anscape. It's called On the Yard. It's basically an HBCU Snapchat show. So we basically do a compilation of videos that we find on TikTok and Instagram that like basically just represents HBCU culture, HBCU sports, and all things HBCU. And then after that, we're gonna be getting into the VMAs recap. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's probably been about like 2 hours since I last checked in with y'all. I essentially just went ahead and finished everything for the Snapchat show. I can go ahead and kind of like give y'all a little bit of like behind the scenes of Story Studio looks like. This is where Snapchat shows are created. And so in here, you can see that there's different like clips that we have, and they go in order so that when somebody's watching the show, they just click through it to see all the videos or just let it fully play out. But yeah, now we can finally get into this VMAs recap. The first thing that I need to do is just go ahead and look back at my script. I need to fact check it, you know, match it up with a couple of articles, and then we'll get into the recording. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I finished the script for the VMA recap, and then I actually did a little get ready with me for the recap, but it's actually on my TikTok. So if you want to see how that went down, you can go ahead and check that out. And now we're about to go ahead and get into filming. Let me go ahead and show y'all my setup. It's a little bit crazy, but just stay with me. So I just have my tray here. Obviously, my phone is next to this ginger ale bottle. There's just my makeup in a mess in a corner just in case I need to touch anything up throughout the video. My water if my voice gets dry. And then of course the ring light, because listen, look, the camera's even having a hard time capturing it. Okay, it's coming together. But basically, because I have light behind me, I'm going to need to have a light in front of me and brighter than the light behind me so that the video can see me. So that's why the ring light is up and why I'm not using the natural light, because I kind of want to have like the window, the trees, and the water to be in my background, even though they're not gonna really see it. It's all within the aesthetics. Y'all understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so something that I forgot to do earlier, which I should have done, was actually time myself as I read the script for this. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. It's okay that I'm doing it now since I haven't already recorded it, but definitely make sure, because the format that I have to be is within a minute and under, because this isn't just going on TikTok, but it's also going on Instagram. And so we really want it to be a reel and not a video, because reels are just more searchable and pop up. And as everyone knows, the algorithm loves reels. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and time myself for that now. The 2022 MTV VMA Awards was an eventful night for Black artists throughout all musical genres. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm back. I literally had to close this window here because the sunlight was just coming so crazy from behind me and I needed the ring light to really capture my face. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just open this window back up because honey, first of all, this highlight is heavy. Okay, back into editor's mode. I just finished recording and I'm going to go ahead now and airdrop these videos to myself. As I'm recording, obviously I mess up a lot. So something that I personally do for the videos that I know I did well with and that I know I'm gonna want to use is I'll actually favorite them after I finish recording them before I move on to the next clip. This saves me a lot of time so that way I don't have to like go through footage and like try to figure out what was the best clip. So yeah, you know, life just be lifing, you know what I'm saying? Life just be lifing. So what did you think?
I liked it. Like I said, my thing was
Hey y'all, so it may or may not be a couple of days later, but I think the last part that I left this video off was literally right when I was like editing the VMAs recap, which if you want to go see it, you can go see it on my page or Anskate's page. We're dual collaborators on it. So yeah, go check it out. I'll link it down below. But anyways, before I wrap up this video, y'all, I did promise that I was going to do a little bit of an unboxing for you. And I not only have the Colourpop High School Musical collection to unbox, honey, but I also have the new aka Next of Us hair collection to also unbox. So let's get into it. Okay y'all, I got the boxes. So the first thing that we're gonna open up is the Colourpop one. Okay, I finally got it open after 10 years. Before I get into all the products that was sent, this specific box was sent for the beauty TikTok channel that I work on, and we're gonna be doing, you know, a little tutorial, giving you a little surprise look of a possible character that, you know, be giving the pinks. We don't have to disclose the exact name, but if you know, you know. Needless to say, go follow @blended.official on TikTok so you can see the look. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing out of the box is the East High Pressed Powder Palette. Ma'am, not the class of 2008. The Gen Zer in me is screaming. Okay, I love how it's like a little book. Wait! Oh my god, y'all, look at this. First of all, could we get into the beautiful palette of shades here? Okay, and then here's some more products that they sent that are out of their boxes. These are the gel liner trios. These are the lip crayons. These are so cute. Okay, and then here are the beautiful 3 pressed blushes. Let's just go ahead and show y'all how many options they gave. This is the Freaky Genius Girl. Love her. This one is Playoffs. It's like a nice red. And then this is more of like a neutral blush. This one is Wildcats. Okay, so for the next unboxing, the company New, which is next to us. If y'all are not aware of this brand, it is a curly hair company specifically for 3A all the way to 4C, but they specifically focus on hair porosity, which y'all know I talk about in my curly hair routines all the time. And I'm so happy that they're gonna be collaborating specifically with me as an individual influencer for my own personal brand. Okay, period. This is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna be trying out their products. I'm actually going to be trying out this moisture mask tonight, but let me show you everything that they sent. So outside the moisture mask, they also sent this no damage detangler with coconut oil. And by the way, their products are free of sulfates, parabens, dyes, and they're cruelty free. So this is their detangler. They sent me a low porosity leave-in conditioner. They also sent me a nourishing moisture conditioner. They sent me this high porosity leave-in conditioner. And then they sent me this no strip sulfate free shampoo. Listen, I need a product like this because I feel like a lot of the shampoos I've been using recently have had some sulfates in them. And then they also sent me their styling gel, which also has avocado oil in it. And then lastly, they sent me their moisture lock-in oil. Y'all, when I tell you the packaging on these bottles are so like 90s nostalgic, the little doodles that you would have on at Nickelodeon back in the 90s, like that's what it's giving. It's really giving Saved by the Bell. If you want to see more of the High School Musical collection, again, make sure to follow at blended.official on TikTok. And if you want to see more of New's Next of Us products, make sure to follow my Instagram, which is _Mami Tiff. That's MAMITIFF _ on Instagram. If y'all want to see more content days in my life, honestly, I should probably just do a week in my life content version because at this point, this has been a 3-day go. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.